All right, YouTube. So this is a learning experience. This is gonna be round two of installing the engine into this car. So the issue is the factory mounts for the 65 and 66, maybe even the 67, 68, 69 Impalas, but for sure 65 and 66. The factory motor mounts are too short. I don't know if you can tell the difference. So I had to order these from what is this? Classic Car Performance, CCP. Let's try to get better on this. As you can tell, these are higher than those. So what's happening at the old house when I'm trying to fit the transmission, not transmission, I'm sorry, when I'm trying to fit the engine inside the car, the oil pan was bottoming out on the cross member here on the frame. All right, so you can see the height difference between the factory one and the aftermarket motor mount. Stay tuned. Okay, so round two successful. Got the engine in. I need to get the adapter mount so I can pull the engine from here instead of using chains. Adapter plate to pull the engine, so I can use the plate instead of chains. I can't put this side as exhaust manifold header on. I am going to have to. I might have to put a dent somewhere in this area right here, and possibly this one right here. Because what it's doing is it is not going down far enough. It is resting on the steering gearbox. So I'm gonna try to do that first before spending money on a new set of headers. But thanks for checking in. It's a quick update.